Stop by and take a look at the 2010 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, navigation system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, air conditioning, home link garage door opener, power steering. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.